And crop 0.
Crop 0. So this one's most likely a female with how big that weight is.
That's definitely a female. We should
females bulk up.
Should be able to already see where she's beginning. See how the feathers in here are darker.
Yeah.
But her crop is completely empty. When they feed, a little bit of food goes into the digestive system and the rest of it goes in the pantry.
More docile than I would have imagined.
The heat. Right?
Yeah.
I pushed it down too far. Push it down this way.
There we go.
Okay, I think we're good. I'll use your monster pliers here.
I love the monster pliers.
That's good.
Looks good.
So you don't leave a whole lot of room. Those legs don't get much thicker from here.
No, they're as big as you're going to get. That's why you wait till they're 30 days old. It's more of an issue with the male. I cover them up like that to calm them down.
Yeah.
I think I'm the only one who uses forceps. It holds the band together. Sometimes when you're trying to force this pop rivet in there, looks good. There you go, you got it. Gotcha.
Why are there 2 bands?
Well, one of them, what to do with the other?
I don't see it.
Where is it?
The rivet. Oh, here it is. I know, it's hot.
You got it. Good job. All right. Give it a couple photos here.
Get you in the shade. So the silver band is the USGS ID number, but it's real hard to see. Like, even looking at it here, you got to look close so you can't see the full digits unless you have the bird in hand.
He has legs here.
But with the purple, it's called an auxiliary band, and it's paired with that number, and it's a whole lot easier to see. So birders and photographers can get that number, submit it to Bird Banding Lab, and then we know where the bird's from. And they're color coded, so purple is what we use in this region, and then they have blue and red